Hello, in this video we are going to see the new installation process of droneengage. We open the cloud.ardupilot.org and go to binaries and download the file, the installation file. We open a Raspberry. We can create a folder called temp or T, for example. Use wget to download the file. Now we will unzip the file and we will run install underscore droneengage.sh. As we can see, now you can edit the config file visually. And now installing the Mavlink module. Again, you can edit the variables in the config file, the most important variables, not all of them. And services are created and running. In the background, there is SITL running, so droneengage now is connected to a virtual drone. I open now cloud.ardupilot.org and connect to see if the drone can be detected online. Yes, here it is. Okay, now if we have an update, we don't need to remove the data anymore or delete the files. We just download the new update and install the script. As we can see, the connection variables are being copied to the new config file, so you don't need to rewrite it again. Same for Mavlink module. It's much easier now. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.